In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install fonts in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a font you like, install it correctly so Inkscape can see it, and avoid the common hiccups that slow people down. First, start by searching for fonts. Inkscape relies on the fonts installed on your computer, so you're not looking for an Inkscape-only download. You're looking for standard desktop fonts. Use a reputable source and take a moment to check the license so you know whether the font is free for personal or commercial use. This quick check can save you headaches later. Once you've found a font you love, choose the style you want and click the Download or Get Font button. Many fonts come as families, so you might see options like regular, bold, italic, or specific weights such as light and black. Download the set that matches your design needs. The file you get will usually be a zip archive that bundles everything together. Next, open the zip file. Inside, look for the actual font files, which typically end in .ttf or .otf. You might also see a text document with license details. Keep that for your records. If you see multiple font files for different weights or styles, you can install them all so they show up as a complete family in Inkscape. Now, right-click the font file. If there are several, repeat this process for each one you plan to use. You'll see installation options in the context menu. Choose Install for all users. This is important because it places the font in a system-wide location, which ensures Inkscape can definitely find it. You may be asked to confirm with administrator permission. Go ahead and allow it. Installation usually takes just a moment, and there's no need to open the font first unless you want to preview it. If Inkscape was already open, restart it. Fonts are only loaded when the program launches, so it won't recognize new ones until you close and reopen it. When Inkscape comes back up, select the Text tool, click on your canvas, and open the font list. You should now see the newly installed font, complete with any styles you added. If the font doesn't appear right away, double-check that you installed the .ttf or .otf files and that you chose the Install option for all users. Also, make sure you don't have multiple versions of the same font conflicting with each other. That's it. Search, download, open, right-click, install for all users, and restart Inkscape. You're ready to design with your new typeface.